Welcome everyone to the Fitness Shinobi Channel. And that's right, today we're going to look at how we can use water to better ourselves, besides hydration. Now let's say you had an intense training session or a hard day at work. And what you want to do is when you get back is just relax. And how would you do that? Well, simply with a water bottle. But better yet, first you're going to drink it. Get your hydration, H2O. Like such. Next, if you don't like the sticker, you can of course peel it off to make it more appealing, as you see there. But after you got your water, what you can use a water bottle for is basically a foot massage. Instead of getting anything else, simply you'll just place your foot down and just go around. And that is very relaxing. I mean, better than some massage things, except the noise. I mean, if this is relaxing to you, maybe. But man, it really hits all those muscles. And the lower part of your foot really takes the stress off. Especially, also, this is great if you're doing a lot of running. So, you know, you're running around, your feet get tired, just give it a nice little massage. And then, kick it out of there. Now from a different angle, basically, you place your foot, and then you're just gonna go. Just like that. Nice and easy. Very comfortable, give it a try. I don't know, I haven't did this in a while or ever. It's really good. And plus, water bottles have these little ridges right here, which provides a nice massage for your feet. And I guarantee you'll feel a lot better trying this. So next time you're tired after work, need a foot massage, save money, use a water bottle. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.